Hey everybody, this video here, show you the date here. I got November 11th, 2017 here. Two packages. These are going to be, should be 16 American locks total. I don't know if you can see right here on the postmark 5/1, and this one is postmarked on 4/27. One of them has 10 locks. One of them is supposed to have 6 in it. These are American 1100s if I recall correctly. And they've been sitting here for 6 months, I guess. So I'm going to clear through some of the backlogs here. So I'm going to try to do an American lock or two a day here for a few days. Clear up some of the backlog here. And wonderful, got my name and everything and his name, so it's cool. We got a limited production budget around here, so to waste some of it fixing that. Get those paper so it doesn't end up in any more videos in the future. Alright, got one out. What I needed here. Nice use of saran wrap. And these are all supposed to be different as I recall. Alright, so from the packaging, some challenging right there. And see if we can get this open and gutted here. It has been about this long. I guess the last time I picked an American lock would have been somewhere around that time. Say for one that I picked for a friend of mine who was having trouble getting it shimmed or picked for a job, so I happened to be at the shop when it came up and was able to pick it. But I'm definitely out of practice. That one's open, and we'll go ahead and gut it. Maybe. And I do have a key, so we can go ahead and lock her back. Of course, I didn't see if the key worked or not, but I'll just assume it did. Or does. And that. And we need this. It's been a while since I got it a lock on camera. Oh shit. So just dumped out number 1 and number 5. So 5 is longer than 1, so this is going to be number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's proof also that I can count to 5. I haven't really looked at American lock pin in forever. upstairs here. Number 1 appears to be a spool. Right there. Two is serrated. 3 serrated. 4 does not want to come out. There's 4 serrated as well. And 5 is a spool over the longest key pin, so that sucks, but alright, so there's our pins here. So we've got a spool over the longest key pin, so it's not going to act like a spool at all. It did not get a false set on one either, and one is short enough to get a false set, but I just so I didn't get one. But anyway, so that's going to do it for that lock right there. We got our key pins. Numbers 2 and 3 are either a 1 or 2 cut. I think that might be a 2 and a 1 right here. And the reason you know that is they're not serrated or anything, and the 1 and 2s aren't, 3 and above are. So, a little something there on American locks. But that's going to do it for this video. And you will probably be seeing several more of these here in the next couple of weeks while I go through the other 15 of these. So, that will do it for this one, and I will talk to everybody later.